touring a $77 million Beverly Hills mansion that you can rent for the night. Hello, welcome to Luxury Lifestyle, the best place where you can find the most lavish lifestyles in the world. Join us as we tour the most expensive places, get a glimpse of the most extravagant things, and get to know the richest and most powerful people in the world. In today's video, we're going to show you the luxurious and extravagant Sierra Mansion in Hollywood Hills. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload new videos. The Sierra Mansion in West Hollywood is exclusively managed by the Nightfall Group, a U.S. travel concierge and luxury rentals company based in Beverly Hills, California. They provide the finest villas, cars, yachts, and private jets to high-net-worth individuals seeking the glamour of worldwide jet-set destinations such as Los Angeles, Monaco, Miami, Dubai, Ibiza, and St. Bartholomew. The 13,000 square feet mansion is worth a whopping $77 million, but did you know that you can rent it for $15,000 a night? You might say that the price for a night's rental is absurd, but it's actually a very considerate rate. $15,000 a night is not a bad price at all, considering it's the Sierra Mansion. The mansion has 5 beautiful bedrooms and 8 extravagant bathrooms and can house 12 and more guests. It has a great city view, a spacious yard, heated pools, and a gym. This architectural wonder of the Sunset Strip was developed with an eye toward leisure and modern architecture. It was meticulously built to the greatest standards. The environment is both tranquil and strong beyond the home's large front pivot door, soaring ceilings, and floating stairway. The mansion has massive doors and elevators. The living room is divine, if we can use that word to describe the mansion's interiors. Everything is on grand scales and nothing is left undone. The living room has a 10-feet-long digital fireplace, big and fluffy white sofas, and beautiful sculptured walls. The mansion has an outdoor garden in the middle, so spacious it looks like a luxurious park. The mansion has a bar with long solid wooden countertops. This bar serves as a mini pool house, only it's not mini. It's spacious and grand, like straight out of a Hollywood set. The bar pool area can be closed using electric power dividers, so it can become a private room where, great things happen. Even the bar pool's bathroom is so luxurious that you wouldn't mind sleeping in there. In fact, the mansion has 13 bathrooms and each has its own unique style and luxurious feel. The pool is majestic. It's not the biggest and grandest, but it sure feels rich. The pool is ridiculously long, maybe about 100 feet long or more. The pool water is always clean and clear. You can even relax on the benches while roasting marshmallows. The mansion has an overviewing balcony of the garage, so you can always peek if your babies are safely parked downstairs. The garage doors are huge and obviously secured. What else can you ask for? The Sierra Mansion has a lot of huge pocket doors that can be folded whenever you want to extend a room. The house is surrounded by luxurious man-made ponds that have real koi fish. The dining room is another type of heaven. It has an impressive wine cellar, beautiful round mirrors, and a gorgeous dining set. The kitchen is another level of grandness as it boasts solid marble countertops, stainless steel sinks, and extravagant lights. It looks like a professional chef's kitchen. The kitchen has top-of-the-line appliances such as chillers, freezers, ovens, stoves, and coffee makers. The kitchen has its own bathroom and a little lovely area where you can sit and relax while your wife cooks your favorite meal. The center of attraction is no doubt the gigantic automatic wine chiller that revolves and extends all the way upstairs. It's a classic yet eccentric masterpiece, that is, if you love wine. The good thing about this mansion is it utilizes every space available and makes it into something beautiful and useful. The Sierra Mansion has electric shades that can control how much sunlight you want inside. Did you know that this mansion can house 15 cars all at once? That's how big the garage is. The mansion even has a vintage Harley motorcycle displayed randomly downstairs. How cool is that? The coolest thing about this mansion is that it has a viewing room from under the pool, so you can watch your guests swim in the pool above while you drink your beverages downstairs. Behind the enormous doors is a huge theater room that could house 8 to 10 people. It looks comfortable and so gorgeous. What is a house without a laundry room? Of course, even mansions have one. In fact, the Sierra Mansion has 2 enormous laundry rooms. Even the help's bedroom is extravagant. The help's room has a king-size bed and a luxurious bathroom with great mirrors. The mansions upstairs are even more elite because you can actually see the grandness of the entire place. It has big rooms and bathrooms and an incredibly stunning view of the Hollywood Hills. It's bright, light and airy because everything is made of glass. The rooms have a great space area and the accessories are just perfect. They fit well with the design and theme of the mansion. The house is a nice reading nook where you can sit and relax and get lost with your favorite characters. The house boasts of its privacy and serene feels. It really feels like a modern Garden of Eden. If you can spend $15,000 a night, go for it. If it would make you feel like an emperor for a little while, might as well choose the Sierra Mansion to fulfill your dream. And that's it for today's video. What do you think of the Sierra Mansion? Let us know in the comments section. We hope you liked what you watched. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you get updated whenever we post new videos. Luxury Lifestyle is on Facebook too. Don't forget to follow and like our official Facebook page. See you in our next video.